What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to create a sketch illustration of Makima from Chainsaw Man. Let's begin today's lesson by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. We'll start at the very top in the middle and bring this all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go up to the top and draw a straight line going across from left to right. So start with the left side and extend that out towards the right. Now we're going to use these guidelines to help us sketch a circle along the top of our page. Now from that center point, the step up towards the top, I'm just going to mark this off. Let's take that same distance along the bottom. So right here, I'm just going to mark this off. Let's do the same thing along the side. Again, taking that same distance over towards the left, and then the right side. Now these points are going to help us create that circle. Let's start from the top. I'm just going to curve this around and then down towards the left. Then go out towards the right. Now the circle doesn't have to look perfect, we just want to get the right size. Now with our circle in place, let's add a guideline coming down the side. We'll start on the left side of that circle, sketch a line coming all the way down towards the bottom, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add another line across the bottom of our circle. Now I'm going to place the eyes underneath that bottom line. So let's leave a gap in the center. Let's go over towards the left. I'm just going to mark off the inside of the eye with a straight line. Let's take that same distance over towards the right. Now from here we're going to add some shape to the eyes. From this point, let's step over towards the left, curve the eye coming in and then down towards the inside, and do the same thing on the right. Now from the outside line, we're going to step in, curve the bottom of the eye, coming down. I'm just going to pull that up towards the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down and then up. Now I push the iris and pupil up underneath the eyelid. So let's start on the left, we're going to draw a circle, going around, and just pull that up on the inside. Now we can always go back and readjust the location of the eyes. Now I'm going to move to the center, step down, just going to mark off the nose. So right about here, we're just going to mark a short line going across. Let's move down and draw a straight line going across from left to right for the mouth. And then from the mouth, we're going to step down, just mark off the chin. And then we'll line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move out to the side. I'm just going to angle the head, coming down and in towards that bottom line. And we'll curve the chin coming down and in towards the center. Now I'm going to tuck the neck in underneath the head. Let's start over on the left, we're going to draw a half circle. We're going to come down, in towards the middle, and then back up. Let's draw the side of the collar. On the top left, angle down and out on both sides. Come down and then in towards the bottom edge of the collar. Let's pull the collar up towards the center, leaving a gap in the middle. And then we'll draw in the tie. Let's start with a knot with two straight lines coming in. So close this off. And then from the bottom corners, we're going to angle this down and out. Let's go to the outside point of the collar, draw a straight line going out. Let's round out the shoulders and then come down. Now we're going to go back up to the side of our circle and draw the hair coming down and then in across the head. Let's start on the left. So we bend this down around the eye. Just pull that in towards the side of the collar. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to go back up and add some more volume to the hair. Let's start from the top. Just going to bend this out and then down towards the side. Now from here we're just going to curve this down and then in towards the bottom. Just coming around, and we'll bend that in. Now with a rough sketch in place, let's go back and lightly erase some of these guidelines. Now let's move to the tip of our pencil and start adding some detail around the hair. We'll start from the left side. Just going to pull this up and add some shape, and then just taper that up. Just working our way down towards the bottom. Now we're going to add some detail across the bangs. And we're just going to add some thickness to the eyelid. Just taper that out towards the side. And I'll just tuck the eyebrows in behind, in between the hair, and just shade that in. I'm just going to use the side edge of my pencil to add some lashes, bending these down and out. Just lightly shade in the top of the iris, and then fade that down. And add those rings inside the eye. I'm just going to add some lashes across the bottom. And just work our way down towards the nostril and mouth. just going to go back and add a little bit more shape to the shoulder area. We're just going to cast a shadow from the head on top of the neck. So just darken up the top and blend that down. Now use the side edge of a pencil to darken up the bottom of the hair, and we'll just lightly fade that up towards the top. And from the top, we're just going to add a shade coming down along the sides and down the middle. And we'll add some texture across the bottom of the hair bangs. Now let's add a light tone to the face, going around the eyes. I'm just going to leave a little bit of a highlight in the center of the nose. You want to add some shape to the head by adding a shadow on the outside. And as we get closer to the end of our drawing, we'll just tighten up our detail and always be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Makima. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.